In this video, we'll show you how to install the FINE cartridges. Start by opening the printer cover. Don't touch the FINE cartridge holder until it stops completely. Next, we'll prepare the FINE cartridges for installation. Peel off the protective tape and be careful not to touch these parts of the FINE cartridge. Now we'll install the FINE cartridges. Install the color FINE cartridge in the left holder. Make sure the labels match. Hold the cartridge diagonally and gently insert it so as not to strike the electrical contact at the far end of the FINE cartridge holder. Take precaution not to strike the surrounding area. Push up on the FINE cartridge until you hear a click. Now, install the black FINE cartridge in the holder on the right in the same way. Confirm the FINE cartridges are properly installed. If the FINE cartridges are not properly installed, reinstall them. Now, close the cover. The FINE cartridge installation is now complete. Please visit our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.